Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply or set shipping charges based on product weight and cart price globally using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see shipping charges flat rate $50, but we are going to change and charge shipping charges based on product weight plus cart price. It's a combination of both using plugin globally in WooCommerce WordPress. Now go to dashboard. So first we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce weight based shipping. So we are going to use this plugin. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So after installing and activating this plugin, we are going to set or apply shipping charges using this plugin. So we are going to delete our current shipping charges. Now back to plugin. So you will install and activate, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in WooCommerce setting and then you see shipping tab, so click on it and then you see zone name everywhere. So we are going to delete this, so click on delete. Okay, so after that we are going to create shipping charges based on weight. Now you see weight based shipping, so click on it. So we are going to set globally. So we are in weight based shipping section. Now you see, so click on setup global shipping rules, so click on it. And now we are going to create rule, add first rule, so click on it. Now you see title, destination, product, weight, value, shipping. So you can add title. So we added title, weight one, and then you see destination. So we are going to set globally. If you want, you can select destination. So click on it. Now you see all countries, but we select any. And then you see product all. And then you see weight. So you can set weight now 0 up to 6. It's mean 0 to 5 kg. So it's mean 6 is not included. Now you see up to exclude. It's mean 0 to 5 and then OK, and then you see value. So we are going to use combination of weight and cart value. Now you see any, now select. So you can add 0 up to 100 up to excluding. Now you see, and then you see free. So it's a combination of weight plus value, total price of cart item and total weight of cart item. Now you see, and then free. So we are going to charge free, flat, progressive, flat plus progressive. So it's up to you. So in this range, we are going to charge flat like $50 or $40 and then click on OK. So this is our first rule. If you want, you can add note. So we added note, combination of weight plus price of cart. So we set this globally. If you want, you can add more rule, add. You can add weight to destination any, product all, weight you can set 6. Now you see up to excluding. If you don't want any value here, so it's mean up to maximum. Okay, and then we set 100 plus because we don't add value here, and then we are going to charge flat again like 100. If you want, you can use progressive, flat plus progressive, so it's up to you. Okay, and then you can add note. So you can add multiple rules and then click on save. Now changes save done. Go to cart page and refresh the page, and then you see product weight 5 kg, total weight for quantity 5 kg 1, and then you see weight 1. We are going to charge shipping charges 40. If you want to display product weight, total weight for quantity, total order weight in cart and checkout page, you need this code. So you will find this video link in video description. So how to add product weight, total product weight quantity in cart and checkout page. So we are using this code. Now go to cart page. Now you see back to WooCommerce rules. Now you see 0 to 6 weight. Now you see up to excluding. So we are going to explain it again. Up to excluding mean that you are including everything up to a certain point but not including that point itself. For example, up to excluding 6, you are specifying a range that starts from the beginning and goes to but does not include the point name 6. For example, we are using 6 here. It's mean this include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 but not 6. So you can add rules and you can combine rules for weight and value of cart according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.